In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Chrome from opening new tabs. If you're tired of clicking something and watching a fresh tab appear every time, this quick walkthrough will help you keep things contained in the same tab and reduce the clutter on your browser. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're on a regular Chrome window where you can see the top right corner of the browser. That's where we'll begin. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right and click your profile icon. It's the small circular button that shows your picture or an initial. This opens a compact menu tied to your browser profile and preferences. From that profile menu, choose More Settings. This takes you beyond the quick options and into a fuller set of controls that affect how your browsing behaves. If you don't immediately see it, give the menu a second to expand, or look for a link that clearly indicates a deeper settings area. The wording can vary slightly depending on your version, but you're looking for the path that leads to additional configuration choices. Inside the expanded options, click Other Settings. Think of this as the section where Chrome and related services keep extra toggles that don't always sit in the main panel. We're heading there to find the specific control that influences whether results open in a new tab or stay in the same one. Now, locate the option labeled Results in a new window. Next to it, you'll see a toggle switch. Click that toggle to turn it off. When this switch is off, Chrome will stop automatically launching results in a separate tab or window, and will instead keep you in your current tab. This is especially helpful if you prefer a tidy, linear workflow and don't want your tab bar filling up with items you didn't explicitly choose to open. A couple of quick notes to set expectations. This setting controls how results behave in this environment, but some websites are designed to open certain links in a new tab on purpose. Also, certain extensions can override default behavior. That's separate from this switch, so if you still notice new tabs from specific sites or tools, it may be by design. The key takeaway is that by turning off results in a new window, you're telling Chrome not to create new tabs for results when it doesn't have to. And that's it. You've opened Chrome, accessed your profile menu, gone into More Settings, navigated to Other Settings, and turned off results in a new window. Enjoy a cleaner, calmer browsing experience with fewer surprise tabs.